making cinematic films isn't actually that hard anymore. I'll show you how I create realistic characters and keep them consistent in every shot.
Once you do this, there's no going back.
Let's end this.
Everyone, Nova here, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how easy it's actually become to create a cinematic AI film. First, I'll show you how to storyboard with Nano Banana Pro, then generate the video using Veo 3.1, all inside VideoInu. Plus, they're giving away 3 pro accounts, which is awesome. Let's jump in and I'll show you. VideoInu is an AI tool that turns scripts into long-form, faceless videos, up to 30 minutes, with consistent characters and voiceovers. It's built for those YouTube story channels. There are tons of templates and community videos for inspiration, but I want to show you how to build one entirely from scratch. I'm definitely not a Hollywood pro or some cinematic genius. I don't even watch that many films, but I've been challenging myself to face my fears and just learn. Let me show you what I've found. Enough talking, back to the interface. Click on AI image. You can generate from text or other images here, and there are plenty of top-tier models to choose from. I'm going with Nano Banana Pro. For a portrait, a square aspect ratio usually works best. I'm entering our prompt for the Survivor-style warrior. And just look at that result. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Let me show you the logic behind this. To get this level of realism, you have to tell the AI exactly what to focus on. First, you need to fix your base prompt. Always add visible pores and skin texture. For the mouth, specify defined lip lines and fine creases. If there's facial hair, ask for visible stubble with slightly uneven growth. Always mention a natural hairline where you can see individual hairs. On the nose, texture is everything. Request peach fuzz and a slight shine on the tip. For the eyes, ask for fine visible veins and a clear iris to make them feel alive. Now here's the thing, a single pose image just doesn't carry enough detail to stay consistent. You'll always get some drifting. The fix is to create a full character sheet from that reference. It gives the AI a 360-degree map of exactly who your character is. Here's how I set up the prompt. I ask for front and back full-body shots, plus side views and close-ups. I always stick to a neutral background and steady lighting. It's a huge help for identity, because a plain background keeps the AI from getting distracted by the surroundings, so it stays locked on the character's actual features. Getting all these angles basically teaches the model exactly how the character looks from every side, which means no more guessing what they look like when you're in the middle of a scene. I've uploaded our warrior image and used those realism prompts to generate a full character sheet. Now that it's generated, look at the output. The AI gave us clear front, back, and side views, plus those specific close-ups. You can see the tactical outfit and the muscular build are locked in. All you need to do is create sheets for your characters and elements, then upload them as a reference. Now for the storyboard. You can create a multi-frame sheet to plan one story moment from several camera angles on a single canvas. This is a game changer because it keeps the environment, lighting, and settings exactly the same. From there, you just crop the specific frame you want for your shot. You can also create a single scene and use it as a master reference for every other shot in that sequence. This acts as an anchor for the entire world. By telling the AI to refer back to this specific setting, you ensure the lighting and the environment stay consistent. In the Video tab, you'll see options like Text or Image to Video, Frame to Video, and Reference to Video. Select Image to Video. There are different top models available here, but I'm choosing Veo 3.1. Click on plus use on top of the image to use it as a reference. From here, choose your aspect ratio and resolution to match your project. Once that's set, write your prompt in the box and hit Generate. Here's my prompt logic. We start with a tight close-up on her eye and the rain, then orbit back to the wide valley. I've specified cool blue night vibes for the lighting and a subtle handheld motion to make the camera feel like it's being held by a human. It's my first time doing this, and the big win for me is having all the models in one place. You can switch between them so easily. Since Kling 01 is amazing at transitions, we'll switch to first last frame mode. I'm using this prompt. Hold on the dragon's close-up eye for 2 seconds to capture emotion. Then the dragon slowly walks toward the girl. Camera follows back, revealing both together. Smooth, natural motion. And here is the result. I've uploaded the character sheets for the girl and the dragon, plus our first scene, to lock in the visual consistency. Using this prompt, we get our establishing shot. Now for a medium shot of the same moment, I'll upload this generated frame as a new reference and apply a fresh prompt. This keeps the scene identical even as we change angles. That's a quick wrap. I'm still learning, so I'm really happy you're here with me on this journey. I truly appreciate you sharing your vision and helping me grow. Now, let's get to the giveaway.
Once you do this, there's no going back.
To enter, just register an account and leave a comment sharing what you like about VideoInu and what improvements you hope to see. I really value your input. You can also check out the last winners on my recent post. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.